Today I'll walk you through how to use the meeting minutes sheet. So here you have a single sheet. So you can see, you can just try to go to the meeting sheet over here. So here with the help of this particular meeting minute sheet, you can track who are all going to be the participants of that particular meeting, and what is the agenda of this meeting, and what are the action items, how many action item have been completed and how many are pending, and the complete minutes of the meeting also you can just try to note it down with the help of this particular meeting minute sheet. First, let me discuss about this particular table over here. So first we have the meeting details, then what is the title of the meeting, so who's going to be the organizer of that particular meeting, then we have what is the meeting location, whether it's online, offline, so it can be even used for offline meetings also. So next we have the date and what is the time. So everything, all these meeting basic details are given over here. So next, below this one, we have the participant list. So name and the attendance. Okay, so here we can just try to go and list down all the participants who are going to come for the meeting, and how many have attended the meeting and how many have not attended the meeting. So if I go, you can see whether you can put them as present, absent, or excused. Okay, so like this we have three categories for the attendance also. If we just try to go and create a new participant, let's say John is going to be the new participant, and let me say that he is present. Okay, so like this you can just try to go and add multiple people who are all going to be the participants for your particular meeting, and then you can even add the attendance for them. Next, we have the agenda of the meeting. So what are all the topics which we are going to discuss in the meeting, and then what is going to be the desired outcome of that particular topic, whatever we are going to discuss. So all these things you can just try to mention it over here in the agenda of the meeting. So you can just try to list down many topics and the desired outcome of those topics over here. So just below that one, we have the action item. So this is something very important. So here we can just try to go and enter what task and to whom this task is going to be, the owner of this task, and the deadline, and also we have the status. So whether it's complete or in progress or on hold. So like this we have the status. So let me go and create a new task over here. So let me say follow up with client for payment. Okay, so that's going to be the action item. So let's say we can just try to go and assign to John over here, and then we can also have the deadline. So let's say the deadline is going to be 30th, and here let's put this in progress. Okay, so like this you can just try to go and list down what are all the action items over here. So if I go and try to change this to completed, so automatically it will be striked off like this. So I'll just try to keep it in progress. Now if I go to the top, you can see there are totally 9 tasks and 4 have been done and 5 are still pending. So that one is over here. So at the top we get a small dashboard over here for a task, how many are pending and how many are done. We'll be able to see it over here. Next is we have the meeting minutes. So what are all the meeting minutes you want to enter, what all has been discussed you want to enter. You can just try to go and enter all the meeting minutes over here in this meeting notes over here. So this is the complete meeting minutes spreadsheet. So with the help of this one, you can just try to have the attendance tracked, what is the agenda, what is the meeting minutes, and the action items. Everything you will be able to track with the help of this single spreadsheet. I hope you would have understood how to use the meeting minutes spreadsheet.